Hi everyone, I'm the BTS Trader. I test market data to help you make better trading decisions. But wait a second, we're not testing anything today. Today we're going to talk about psychology, specifically the fear of losing money in trading. Trust me, I was in the same boat. For a year when I was learning price action, I had a classic case of analysis paralysis. I just couldn't hit the buy button because I'd always think about what could go wrong versus what could actually go right. While there are a lot of things that helped me get through it, physics and space-time actually helped me get over that hump. First, I barely know anything about physics. I'm pretty sure I got a C when I was in high school on the subject. Second, I don't mean that I use physics to analyze the market and learn how to print money using physics. Nothing actually could be further from the truth. Physics helped me because they have this kind of simple yet complex idea that, to put simply, the future already exists. Not only that the future already exists, but that the present actually exists eternally, and the present is really just an illusion. This is something what physicists call a block universe. So this isn't like a 100% consensus, but all I can say is look up how they have to adjust GPS satellites for basically space-time, and how observers, which include particles, don't agree on what the past, present, and future is. And yeah, the idea does come from Einstein and his mentor Minkowski. But then again, Einstein was a pretty terrible husband and he was racist against Asians, but we're going to have to get beyond that. But I'm not joking. Learning about this concept a few years really helped me get over the hump and get rid of the analysis paralysis and fear of losing money in trading. If the idea that whatever is going to happen already happened is true, then there's not really much to think about when you hit the buy button. You're either going to win or lose in the trade. It's already meant to happen. And I know that's an idea that a lot of people really hate. But for trading and this kind of psychology of getting beyond losing money, it does help if you think about it. And don't get me wrong, I don't YOLO into everything. There are a lot of things that I use to help me get rid of the fear of losing money, which are really important, such as understanding risk, developing quantitative strategies, understanding probabilities, and above all, experience. And I'll do a video on those in the future. But to be honest, at the end of the day, this idea from physics really helps me get beyond the fear of losing money. So that's it for this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.